Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Friday, the market started low and, despite closing at high point of the week, failed to remove the previous high point of 15,900. It remained in a tight range. Last week, the market spent time between the levels of 15,500 and 15,900, led by technology, PSU banks, and select metal companies. The energy and FMCG sector failed to close in the positive territory. The market has spent almost 2 weeks below the levels of 15,900. However, if this level is broken, the Nifty will have to move towards 16,050 or 16,150 levels. According to option statistics and retracement levels, the Nifty would find support at 15,800 and at 15,670. The Nifty will derail below the levels of 15,670 and could fall to the levels of 15,550 or 15,450. Our strategy should be to reduce the positions between the levels of 16,050 and 16,150 levels. The Nifty 50 and Nifty IT indices have reached to new levels along with Sensex, but the Bank Nifty is still lagging behind. If the Bank Nifty crosses the levels of 35,800, then it will be able to push back the levels of 37,700, which was its previous highest level. But for that, we need market or Bank Nifty to cross these levels in the current week. The focus should be on select technology companies in the current week, along with few IT companies and with auto and financial stocks. So these are the stocks and sectors on which we are going to focus. We specifically like Tata Steel, Steel Authority from the metal basket. From the technology basket, we prefer Tech Mahindra as well as HCL Technologies, as Infosys already reached to the levels of 1600, 1575 it was on the previous day, on Friday. And Mahindra and Mahindra looks good. We have initiated buy rating on Mahindra and Mahindra for the week with a target of nearly 975 for next 12 months. But in the near term, we are expecting furthermore activity based on monthly numbers and its attractive valuation. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.